Fucking Crocs? Like, what in a way? I know you have daddy issues. Hi. So where are we going? Oh shit, I left the oven on. Hi. Welcome to McDonald's. Bye-bye. Oh, shit. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Bang, 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 bang. So, why do you have to shoot people in the ass? You have a girlfriend. Quad feed. I'm breathing really heavy. I should stop.
Normally, like, heat goes right away. Yeah. Like, literally, like, instant. No man's guy must really be a mess.
Do you still have negative savings now?
What?
Do you still have negative?
No, I just swapped it from my savings. I actually have 2 savings.
Brian taught me this. Good shot. Hi. Follow my mixtape. Follow my mixtape.
Check my SoundCloud, bro. Oh no.
I actually feel bad for doing that now. Bye-bye. You got me. No, I'm not shooting you. I'm shooting somebody else. Bang, bang. All right, thanks. That kid's coming to get me. It's all right. I'm finally. Oh fuck! I didn't know. Bang! Yeah. Bang bang. I'm gonna call myself out.
No, you're good.
Are you sure? I'm just gonna call myself out. I gotta give him a chance. Holy shit, Dad, you gave me a hee-haw flashback. Coming through. Fucking limbo. Fuck. I can't find my barrel cover. Oh wait, hon. I can't find my barrel cover. I called myself out at some points, like